Okay, I just got this head done cut out. See how much metal came out of there. See, from this side it doesn't look much different. Until you put the light, you see through it. Anyway, you can see how much is cut away. Put this through here. Yeah, it's hard to see this here, but okay, I got my scale on top of the head bolt boss here. Let's move over this one here. Okay, I'll hold that right there. So you can see, can't really see very well. Put a little light in there might help. You can see how it's quite a bit further down. Keep it light. It's hard to see with this. Keep them. We'll get something else here to use. Here, about one of these. Let's see one of those. There, you should be able to see that. It's nice and thick. Ah, there it is. So you can see how it's quite a bit deeper down. So you can actually go another 150 thou deeper if we wanted to, but just remember, whatever you cut out, you got to put back. Right now, there's a lot of putting back. So you can see how we are 700 thou stick right now. So if the dome's 300, that leaves 400. So I'm not sure if I want 400 or if I want more. But I'm a lot more like I'm going to cut some of this dome down, about 50 of it off at least. So it leaves about 450 thickness. So I'll think about this over tonight. See if I want to cut it deeper, and if I do, I'll cut another 50 or 100 more out of this. Because right now we got 700,000, so we can definitely cut more. And it's hard to get it where you guys can see it. Anyway, you can see the hole. So anyway, that's what it looks like right now. So here's our dome piston. You can see basically that's what we're going to have in there. That's how thick the head's going to be. So the piston fills up a lot of that hole, so it's not that much material in there. So anyway, I'll see what we do tomorrow. I'll let you guys know.